Every business is unique in many ways. Different management, different business process, different procedure, different approach, and different companies' needs. We develop the best sales and distribution technology specifically designed for your business that can reduce cost and improve productivity. Sadix, a sales and distribution system by Cakrawala Putra Nusantara. The simple sales and distribution application that streamlines the entire activities on the field. We will handle all of your company's needs, and you don't have to worry about the IT investment. It is all in the cloud, no more paperwork, no more duplicate data entry, less mistake. And above all, it is real-time, fast, easy, and reliable. Sadix is a solution to solve your company's problems. As a highly configurable tool with geographical dashboard and integrated mobile application that automates the time-consuming administrative processes. The administrators just log into sadix.net. Using any kind of web browser, you can communicate with your field force's mobile device, and you also have access to see operation in the field. So, it is transparent. Provides you with the visibility to know where they are or how long they have been with a customer. Allows you to set up geofences that limit the area and alerts you when they go to any locations you don't want them to go. With those features, you can manage your sales job more effectively and efficiently. The salesman can check their visit schedule in their mobile device instantly. Salesmen can also see the latest product catalog, the available discount or promo, and the customer transaction history. When they arrived in the outlet, they input the transaction or the survey into the device. Sadix also has features such as barcode or QR code scanner and put signature on the mobile device. The application can be used also for surveyors, merchandiser, and other else. What they have to do are to enter the survey in the phone or take pictures. Those data are sent to the main server, and the administrator can see the data and analyze it right away. In the meantime, supervisor can monitor everything in real time, analyze the product trend, salesman timetable, or salesman KPI. So the supervisor can identify in advance who is failed to meet their target. Sadix gives you powerful features that provide valuable data to expand your business and display the data into table, graphic, and map for easy analysis and help decision-making processes. Sadix is the next generation sales and distribution system designed to fulfill today's complex business needs and help any companies to manage every business aspect that requires field force. For further details about Sadix, please visit us at cpn.co.id.